With U.S. cases of reported swine flu in the 60s and symptoms relatively mild, health officials across the country warn the outbreak is likely to get worse, perhaps much worse, before it gets better. Richard Besser of the Centers for Disease Control.
As this moves forward, I fully expect that we will see deaths from this infection. They're seeing many deaths in Mexico, and we're trying to learn more about that and why the situation in Mexico is different from here.
In Washington, a top health official told lawmakers even if the virus does dissipate over the spring, the threat may not be over. Dr. Anthony Fauci is the director of the National Institutes of Allergy and Infectious Diseases.
These kinds of viruses may come along in the spring and may or may not be severe and may or may not spread widely. But from history, we know that they can then, when you get to the flu season in the winter, come back with a vengeance. And in fact, there are historical precedent for that.
The Obama administration is asking Congress for an extra $1.5 billion to fight the swine flu outbreak. In California, the northern neighbor to Mexico, where 149 people have died from swine flu, Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger declared a state of emergency after 11 confirmed cases of the disease.
We are grateful that in California all of those cases have been relatively mild to moderate. And of course, we are very much prepared if this escalates and there's more severe cases coming up.
In New York City, Mayor Michael Bloomberg says 2 new schools have been hit by the outbreak with up to 100 suspected cases. The disease is also hitting small-town America, where Patrick Henshaw of Cibolo, Texas, was shocked to learn that he, along with his son and daughter, had contracted the disease.
Well, shock was the first thing, because you hear you've heard the name, but you don't ever hear anybody ever getting anything.
This adding to nationwide anxiety over an outbreak that has hit at least 5 states but has yet to claim 1 life. John